Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you're looking for the cutest puffer tote, you're going to want to look at this one from VOSTEVAS. I think you will love it. So this is in the khaki color. I just love everything about this. It is so trendy. It's got a really beautiful quilted design. It's an awesome size. So personally, I took this on vacation. I used it as a beach bag. It carried all of my towels. Every single thing that I needed fit awesome in this bag, and it zips shut. It has one privacy zipper on the inside, and then it has two nice little pockets on the outside as well that zip up. So really convenient to tuck in your phone or wallet or something that you want to be able to access easily. The shoulder strap is nicely padded and a really good length, so you can wear this on one shoulder or crossbody. This size would be fantastic for a daily bag, to put your laptop in, as an overnight bag. You can put a whole bunch of stuff in this. It's not too bulky, it's just the right size. So if you also want a super trendy bag that is also really handy to have around, I think you will absolutely love this one, and that's my point of view.